Hello everyone. Welcome back in this session. We will build a practical example for menu. Let's close this. Okay. At first, we are talking about software called TreeShade. You can install totally free from Adobe Exchange. You will have an extension for Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge. Also, local server for online content management. So you can send URL for customers, for teamwork, like marketing department or HR, to collect the content. So Adobe InDesign can auto-generate the design remotely from your computer. Okay. Let's take the link. Okay, we have this menu. We want to create this menu so the end user can fill the content here using online form. So at first we want to build the content before the design. So here we start by building the content, the elements of the design before starting with the design itself. Okay. Here for this design, we have logo at top, we have image, we have head, bold here, big, and we have subhead here. We have the menu, icons for social media, and URL. For the background here, let's keep without out of the online form, fixed in the design. So at first, let's create a folder for our project. So here, inside workshop, where you're supposed to put your project folders and edit them, let's create a new folder. Let's name menu and open. Okay, here in Adobe Bridge we have empty folder. Let's create from TreeShade menu. You will have sub-menu called New, and this installed with the software. And here there are template files, revealed here as a command. So you can execute by clicking the file here to be duplicated in the current folder. You can add more files and you can add different paths. Let's click here on data. This special text file have settings for the online form. Click OK. Now, if you double click on this text file, TreeShade will ask you to open the online form. Click yes. Now you have URL for your project you can send for your customer or for anyone collaborate with you to fill the content. Now we have an empty form. So let's start adding the items. Let's create folder. Let's create folder here called data to match the pure name of the text file here, data. So this paired folder revealed on the online form. Open the folder data and let's put a placeholder for the background image here. Let's download the same design. Let's copy these files and let's create folder. Let's name draft. Okay, let's copy the photo. We want a background photo here. So let's open the Photoshop file. The design created by Photoshop, but we want to be in InDesign. So we have photo here. Let's save. In our project. Let's save here in downloads, temp. Let's flatten the image. Let's save as a JPG. Background, or let's name top photo. Okay. Let's copy and put inside data folder. This as a placeholder. So now if we load the online form, you will have here upload field, so the end user can upload a new top photo for the design. Okay, let's continue. We have the logo, so let's put the logo, placeholder for the logo. Let's take this icon. And let's name logo. We have head top and head down. Let's name like that. So let's create from TreeShade menu, a new, then plain. To create a new text file, let's name head top double click on the text file and let's write here menu, the word menu here. Let's create new plain text file. Head down. And let's write main course. All this text placeholder. Okay. Now you can drag and drop the files to make custom order in Adobe Bridge. So we have top photo, then logo, then head top, then head down. Then from TreeShade menu, execute here, update tsor.txt. So TreeShade create automatically this text file for sort the files in the online form. This special text file will not appear as a separated field, but it's just used for ordering the items. Now let's refresh. And here the end user can now upload the new photo for the design for the top section, upload the new logo, change the word menu or main course, the head top and head down. You can put head top and head down in one group. So let's right click on the text files, select pick for change. It's like cut, the same as cut or copy, pick for change. Then create folder, name head, and inside the folder select change now. Now select change and write M colon to move the files here. M shortcut for move. Here see M, move picked files and folders here. Okay. Now the text file is moved here. This special folder, don't delete this folder. It's supposed to be hidden in Mac OS because it starts with dot, but in Windows, just ignore it. Here, if we refresh the online form, you will see that head folder is not revealed here as field, because this folder have no paired file. There must be file with the same name. So just create text file from TreeShade menu, new, then plain, and let's name the file head the same as the folder. Okay. Now if we refresh, you will see that head top and head down grouped in one category. And here you can set the order by moving the paired text file despite the folder. So the order determined by the files, not folders. So you can drag and drop. Let's put before logo or anywhere. Then execute the command from TreeShade menu, update TS sort. Okay. Here I need to drag and drop head top to be at top, and from TreeShade again update TS sort. Okay. Now what we have the menu. So let's create a text file. Let's create text file from TreeShade menu, a new text, plain, then name menu, or list, click OK. Now we have text file called list for the menu. Let's create the subcontent folder and name the folder also list. So it's paired to the text file. Now inside list we have dynamic content. So the items increased, add, remove, delete, etc. To make dynamic list, you need to start the file name with capital letters ID, the word ID, capital letters, followed by sequence of digits or capital letters. If the sequence less than 5, it consider increment. If it 5 digits and capital letters or more, it will consider randomize. So from TreeShade menu, let's select new plane, and here let's name the text file ID capital letters 1 2 3 4 5. I want to be random, so I make 5 digits. And here the display part, it's used for distinguish the items in the online form and here on Adobe Bridge. Let's write label. Okay. Now let's create a folder. Have the same ID. Now this folder paired to this text file. So on the online form, the sub-content will be loaded. And here represent one item of the menu. Each item have 3 parts: the title, the food name, the description, and the price. So let's create 3 text files. From TreeShade menu, a new plane for text file. Let's write title. Again, TreeShade, new plane, description, and price. Okay, let's drag and drop in Adobe Bridge to make custom order. Title, then description, then price. And from TreeShade menu, execute update ts underscore sort.txt file to create this text file. Now TreeShade create this text file to order the items in the online form. Now if we refresh the online form, you will have top photo, logo, head, the head top and head down, and here you have the menu. This is the first item. Item 1, you can edit the title, the description, and the price, and you can add in dynamic way new items. Like here you can write tea, cup of tea, and write the, here we want to repeat the same title here again, because dark tea with the name on, price 20. Now you will see that label here will be changed to represent Okay. Now, if you want to match the title here with the label here, you can write here with the title, rename the title, and add this flag for TreeShade, TS underscore LBL label, to match the field here with the folder label. So now if you change the title here, it will be changed in the title here. They match together, like lemon juice. So if you edit the field here or edit here, the same. Then lemon with orange. Okay, now if you click update, the label will be inserted here with the item ID, lemon juice, and also inside the field title will have the same content, lemon juice. Here for the data content, and here as label for the folder. So the graphic designer can know that this for lemon juice, this folder, and here the folder have the same name as the text file, the same pure name. Pure name is the file name without its extension and without the text inside the square bracket at the end of the file name, and without any flag that start with TS underscore. Okay, that's it. So now the end user can add new item like this. You can make the field in columns instead to be listed. You can do that by adding a flag, TS flag, write TS, then COL, abbreviation of column, then underscore, then write W3 CSS cascading W3.css, the same pattern for columns, which start with 3 letters: S for small, M for medium, and L for large. So in small screen, let's make 12 columns. In medium, the title let's be 6, and in large let's be 3. Let's repeat the same flag for all. For the description and for the price. Now if you refresh, you will have that these columns become if you enlarge the page, if you make the page large, it gets 3, then if you decrease it will be 1. Okay, that's it for this session. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.